project. We're gonna try and begin making loaded questions in C. So I'm gonna start off with my header, just normal one, name, begin date, here we put end date, but obviously we don't have that. Loaded questions.c, and the description of the project, create a C version for begin loaded questions. Include statement. Now I'm just going to include what I know. I'm only on my second year of university studies, so pardon me if the code isn't great. Let's save this. I made a previous version, but I'll start over. Loaded questions.c. Include string package. So for this video, probably I'm gonna create a text document that has a bunch of questions. So that's where I will be getting my questions from. But for now, we won't worry too much about that. For now, I'm just setting up my environment. And I code in my particular way. I'm sure many people code differently. If you have a problem, I'm sorry I can't really do much about that. So first we're going to need to create a main menu. How am I going to do it? Void menu. Have it be the screen first. Okay, cool. Yeah, so first we'll have it clear the screen. Then we'll have it print the name of the game, I guess. For the questions first, I'll just have what I want it to print. Program by online topics. So we run it. Make sure I can't see. I'm gonna do in just adjusting this somewhere. And window capture. Okay. Cool. So close that. Okay, I'll just do a display capture. It's gonna look weird for a second. Sorry about that. Okay. So far, all we have is this. Make the font a little bigger. Other questions programmed by Arnold Elvis. So that's fine for now. I'll work on editing more stuff, adding it, making it look nicer later. For now, I just want to set up some basic stuff. Lines system. So we're going to have it pause. Cool. Alright. Now we need to have a selector whether someone wants to and they want to play the game, learn how to play, or quit. So void, or we'll actually return an integer. Main menu select. We're not passing anything. I know I have a lot of white space, or black space rather, when I code, but it's just how I do it. So we'll need a. We said we're having three options. Beginning, how to play, and quit. Return the user's selection. So we'll return either 1, 2, or 3. Printf. Or please select try not to focus too much on what I'm saying because this is just very basic main menu stuff. I can refine all of this at a later stream. Please select we'll just say please select 1 for now. I'm not too worried about that. Printf begin game 2 how to play 3 quit game. Scan it. I'm actually put this here just because I don't want it this side. Function. Also, just declare int selection equals 0 while selection is not equal 1. Selection is not equal to 2, or selection is not equal to 3. So we'll have it scanf %d, store out selection. If selection, if user does not choose 1, 2, or 3, if selection does not, I can just copy this. Printf, please select either 1, 2, or 3. We'll have a system pause. This game should only work on Windows, I think. I'm not sure if the whole system function that I'm using here, I don't know if that works on a Mac. Not positive. So please select selection for 1, 2, or 3. System pause. The system is going to clear the screen after that and go back to here. Else actually return selection. So int main menu. Int selection equals menu select if selection equals 1. Begin game else if selection equals 2. Print instructions else if selection is 3. Quit game. Cool. So for now, I'm just going to work on quitting the game. For printed instructions, I'll just write up a text file and include that. I can actually do that now. There we go, because I want to make sure I have all the instructions right, so I won't do that on the live stream. But for quit game, I'll just have it print out like a goodbye or something. Or system, so let's make sure the screen is cleared. 0. So that'll quit. For now I can do sum of begin game. So the first thing we're probably going to need to know is how many players are playing. And to play loaded questions, I believe you need at least 3 players. I might have to edit that, but minimum players. Excuse me. For now, yeah, we'll just have that defined as 3. So if I need to change it, I can just change it up here rather than having to go through all my code. But caution, double check. Min players needed. I'm sure you can play with, even technically you could play with 2, but it wouldn't really be worth it at that point. It wouldn't be a game, it would just be, I don't even know how to describe it. So get player number so actually get rid of all the space between here. It's all one selection. Select one. It's going to expand a bit. So, sorry, I'm bouncing all over. I'm sure they got some. Get the amount of players playing the game. Please enter the number of players. Int player number. That's not good info. Int number of players. Scanf %t. Number of players. While number of players is not equal to gotta make a max count to define maximum players as, for now we'll just say 8. And you have to double check that. Caution, double check. If number of players is not, if it's less than minimum players, or number of players is greater than maximum players. is def please select 3 to 8 players. Let's see, only 3 to 8 players can participate. A lot of system problems. Clear scope. So that's just our if players are less than min or greater than max amount allowed. Number of players. I'm pretty sure it should work. I'm not positive. Okay. This is not good programming, by the way. I apologize for that. So let's see. And return number of players. Selection number of players. Okay, awesome. Number of players equals get player. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not really loving that function name. So that makes it sound like we're getting a number assignment per player, and that's where we're not doing that. We're trying to get the number of players playing. So it's a good function name for that. Get number of players. Selection. Oh, okay. Try to look. Oh shit. At the end of the main menu, we need a system service. Okay. Yeah, crap. I keep forgetting to clear the screen. System. That should make it work. Sorry about the slow compile times. It's stuff like it's affected by the streaming. Do it after the main menu select. Okay, I think I messed up with my selection. This has to be ends. So before, if it's or, it's saying it'll never be true because selection is not 1. So let's say selection is not 1 or it's not 2. So the only way for it to be true would it would have to be both 1 and 2 at the same time, I believe. And that's obviously impossible. Okay. And awesome. Okay, so far we don't have a lot of code, but we've created a cover menu, main menu. We're getting the number of players. I believe the quit option should work. So we have a break option. Next video I will probably show you guys me typing up the instructions, and I'll be getting questions online. So the next video most likely won't be a whole lot of coding. I'm sorry this video was so short. I just I wasn't too prepared. I kind of just did it out of nowhere. I was like, you know what, I want to try streaming. It's my first video on the channel, so I figured why not give it a try. Didn't do a whole lot, but if anybody has any recommendations or tips, be sure to leave them in the comments. If you like the video, let me know. I'll probably do a couple more of these regardless of how many views they get, just because it's fun having them out there and recording them. And I'm going to see if I can upload the stream so that future me can look back at how crappy of a programmer I was. But after this video, I also need to do a little research to make sure Loaded Questions isn't like I'm not infringing on any copyright material. But other than that, everything seems okay so far. File safe. So thank you for watching if you did watch, and have a good day, guys. Have a good night.